Assalamu alaikum beautiful people, welcome to my channel Travel Sites here, and I'm Aasma Mahmood. In this vlog I'll be showing the history of Istanbul. I will be taking you inside Hagia Sophia and showing the monuments around Istanbul. So let's go. You can see a lot of art and history in Istanbul, like this artwork around the fountain, and this fountain is in between the Blue Mosque and Hagia Sophia. And this is a beautiful area where you can just sit down and relax and just see the scenery. You'll find many stalls here selling bagels and bread and sweet corn, which you can just buy and just sit on the benches here and just relax and enjoy your time. So this is Hagia Sophia, which I'll be taking you inside. Unfortunately, the Blue Mosque was closed due to renovation, so we couldn't go in. But that just means that I have to make another trip so I can show you inside Blue Mosque. Around the fountain you will see 4 photo spots, which is marked with the board, so make sure to keep an eye out that and take some amazing pictures. So now I'm going to take you guys to Hagia Sophia, so let's go inside. So I'll just tell you a bit of history about Hagia Sophia. It's one of the important Byzantine structure in Istanbul and one of the world's great monuments. So it was built as a Christian church in the 6th century CE 532 to 537 under the direction of the Byzantine Emperor Justinian I, and over the centuries it became a mosque, then a museum, and now it's a mosque again. As you step inside Hagia Sophia, you'll be greeted by the breathtaking grand dome in the centre. This is one beautiful mosque which I highly recommend to visit. Make sure you go early to get your tickets because the line to get the tickets can get very long. And we were quite lucky that the queue was quite short, but then when we came outside the mosque, the queue was just so long. It was like, would it took you half a day just to get the tickets. So I would advise to get tickets really early, because then there is another queue to get inside Hagia Sophia. And also they closed the mosque during prayer times, so only Muslims are allowed to enter during prayer times. You can spend hours in this mosque and just not get bored. There's so much history in this mosque and the architecture is so beautiful. Highly recommend to visit. If you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all my upcoming vlogs. I've got a lot more trips coming up, so you don't want to miss my vlogs. So as you leave the mosque, you see this wash area where you can prepare for praying inside the mosque. It's where you could do your wuzu from. You'll see many stores around the mosque and around Istanbul selling fresh corn, bagels and bread. You can get bread with Nutella, chocolate in there, or cheese. The bagel is hard though. So in Sultan Ahmed Square you'll find many Roman monuments. If you love history, then definitely recommend visiting Istanbul. So this spiral monument is a bronze monument consisting of 3 snakes twisted around each other to form the column shaft, and it was built to commemorate the Greeks who fought and defended the Persian Empire at the Battle of the Plataea in 479 BC. The German fountain was a present to the Sultan to the city by German Kaiser Wilhelm II. It was made in Germany in the Neo-Byzantine style and ornamented inside with gold mosaic. It was erected in Istanbul in 1901. So now I'll take you on the boat cruise around Istanbul so you can see Istanbul by sea. You can buy your tickets for the boat cruise just outside Hagia Sophia. You'll find plenty of stalls who will be selling the tickets. Also, there'll be people approaching you as well. But just make sure you haggle the price down because they will start high, and the more people that will be going, you can bring the price right down. So on the cruise, you will have a person that will be telling you all about the history of all the monuments around, the buildings that are there, the meanings behind them, what the history was behind them. So another highly recommend tour to do. So there's 2 floors to the boat cruise, so you can go to the top floor and take your pictures, take some videos. If you don't want to sit there, because it does get quite windy, you can come down and sit where the tables are. They also have a little shop that's inside the boat, which you can just get some snacks like drinks, crisp, chocolate. There's also a photo opportunity where you can wear the traditional clothes and have a photo shoot inside the boat. You will come across many stunning hotels and mosques all around Istanbul. So we did our tour in mid-afternoon, so we got to see when the sun was starting to set a little, and we got some amazing shots, amazing videos. So this is the new mosque, and inside this mosque is absolutely beautiful. I highly recommend to go inside the new mosque as well. So I didn't make any footage inside, but I definitely highly recommend to go inside. So we were on our way now to Spice Bazaar, and all around Spice Bar there are little stores, and there's a lot of places that you can eat. There's a huge variety of foods, something to cater for everybody. There's a lot of shawarmas, a lot of meat. Obviously being in Istanbul, so there's a lot of meat. But just to give you a heads up, the taste of the meat is very, very strong. I didn't like it, to be honest, so I stuck to chicken. So this is one place we stopped for dinner, and they did have really nice food, so I do recommend visiting this cafe. If you love baklava, then definitely recommend to try Safa, and also I'll be making a video on Hafiz Mustafa, and guys, those desserts are to die for, so make sure you look out for that vlog. Make sure you click on the bell icon, so when that vlog is uploaded that you will get notified and can watch it. The The night view of the fountain and Blue Mosque and Hagia Sophia is just amazing. Definitely visit during the evening as well. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and make sure to subscribe, click on the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Thank you for watching.